Two more earthquakes hit different parts of the Philippines. A magnitude 4.4 earthquake hits Bataan and other parts of Metro Manila early morning Wednesday, while a magnitude 4.7 hits Davao Oriental. These earthquakes come after the 6.1 magnitude earthquake in Luzon on Monday and the 6.5 magnitude in Visayas on Tuesday. The National Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council, or NDRRMC, says there were 16 dead, 81 injured, and 14 missing from the Luzon quake as of Tuesday. Severely damaged structures such as heritage churches in Pampanga remain closed, but the Clark International Airport, which was damaged Monday, resumes operations Wednesday afternoon. Follow Rappler.com for updates.